Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. And today this video is, as you can see in the title or in the thumbnail, I don't know where I'm gonna put it, is just about 5 packs. And yeah, first of all, as I said properly in the title, I finally got lucky with the 5 packs because I was searching for these two and maybe a third, but I'm not sure if the third one is actually showing up this year or not. But I found these two. I'm gonna show it to you in a second. But what I wanted to talk about also is that 5 packs this year are, compared to other years, for me either a 100% hit or a 100% miss. So I know 5 packs are always have always a theme. For example, Night Burners, Car Meat, Adventurous, Hotwheels City und so weiter und so fort. I'm just talk German. Und so weiter und so fort. Herzlichen Glückwunsch. I shouldn't talk German in the English video, I'm sorry. Yeah. Forget it. I just did the German version and now I'm doing the English version. Normally I'm doing the English version first, then the German version, so I'm mixing myself up, I guess. Yeah, I think I should finally show these 5 packs to you. Wait, no, I was about the hit and miss right now. For me, these 5 packs this year are a hit or miss, because these 5 packs are 100% hits, but I've seen so many 5 packs which are 100% misses for me. But I always keep myself, and I remind my friends as well, that these 5 packs are still, as the normal mainline, focused on the little child as play toy, not as a collector's item. Now you could say with some of these very sought after 5 packs, you could say that they know they made this for not for the child but for the collector, but still it's from the attention to detail to the price and so on, it's still a children's toy. Premium, Elite 64 RLC and all everything after this is collectors oriented. Mainline and 5 packs are not. Just keep that in mind, please. Yeah. So I'm not mad about it being a hit or miss, because there's always someone who likes the 5 packs you don't. And yeah, I think it's finally time, after 3 minutes of talking, to show them to you. I actually have to lay them down like this so you can see them. And you can see here we have the 2025 Night Burners set with the Ford Serial Cosworth, Nissan Maxima Drift Car, sorry, 2020 Toyota Supra GR, Di Macchini Veloce. All my Italian fans are gonna hate me now. Di Macchini Veloce. Maybe I should actually learn Italian so I can pronounce it in Italian. And the Subaru WRX STI. This, actually my mom said when I picked this up, my mom said, "Ooh, this looks really nice. I would actually drive it in real life." So a really nice thing. I'm gonna have to do them like this because this doesn't work and I don't want to damage the packaging just too much yet, because in this video I'm not gonna open them just yet. Maybe in a later video, who knows, I'm not sure about this. The second one is probably the most sought after 5 pack of the entire year, and if you just see this, I don't have to say anything else. I know for a fact that Georges is searching for these, but he has all 3 main lines already. I only have these and the Williams just yet. I don't have the Mercedes and Red Bull. I'm still missing them, but I don't really care about them. If I find them, I'm gonna pick them up. If not, then not. It's not something I'm gonna cry about. So yeah. but this 5-pack is probably among the community for 2025 the most sought after 5-pack I know of. I don't know if we are gonna get some even better 5-packs later in the year. But let's stay at F1 for a second, because as I already said, I have the Williams mainline just yet, so I have 6 of the 8 we have seen. I'm missing the Red Bull and the Mercedes, and then I wonder if we actually get to see Aston Martin and Ferrari. I'm not sure. In the premium, we have seen now in the first mix also only Haas, PWT Alpine, and Red Bull. I think only these 3. Yes, I think eight cars per pack. Each of the teams 2 numbers for the 2024 season. So Haas 2, Alpine 2, and Red Bull 2, and then you get 2 repeats in the same case. So 8 in total. Really interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna know in a very short time if there is actually the premiums out in Germany already. I don't know. I would have to go look in the Smiths in my area. But these 2 I actually didn't pick up in any Smiths or Teddy or wherever you are going to hunt. I actually found them in a penny, which is like, I don't know, what can I compare to? It's not like a Walmart for my dear Americans, but it's something like more of a supermarket than a actual store where you can hunt Hot Wheels. So this was an actually very lucky find. And yeah, here you can see the price. 2 5-packs for $6.99 per piece. So I paid, rounded up, 14 euros, which is not gonna lie, a really great price. Normally a 5-pack costs in my area between 8 and 10 euros, and buying it for 7 is under the normal price, so I'm not gonna complain at all. And yeah, one thing I already said at the start of the video, these 2 packs offer me 100% hits, and that's simply because not only are these 9 out of 10 real cars, with 1 rally car you can look over and say, well, it's probably has a real life counterpart. So yeah. And yeah, I just got a message, I'm sorry, which threw me off. And yeah, with this, so yeah, for me these are hits because not only 9 out of 10 real cars, but also because I was actively searching for both car things, and the Night Burners themed 5-packs are always hits for me. Same for the Car Meat 5-packs, but Car Meat I didn't see yet for 2025. I'm wondering if we get one. If you know already about it, let me know. And then thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and let me know what I should do with these 2 5-packs in the future. Do you want to see like a stylized car meet, for example Night Burners, where I'm gonna unpack this one and make like a street racing type of tuned car meet, or should I unbox this one where I'm gonna make a Formula 1 / race car oriented car meet? Let me know in the comments, and then thank you so much for watching until the end. I see you in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful time. Bye bye.